Hi guys, today we are going to see what's going to happen when we blend peanut butter, and depending on our desired outcome, i.e. hubby's desired outcome, we might add cream and see what that does too. Okay, for whatever reason this button doesn't turn everything on and off very well. There. Anyway. Okay. Mixing. Alright, going up to 3. This is 4. Must have just broken it up. Okay, back down to 2 because it's not. Seems like at the higher levels it only sometimes makes contact. Moving very slow, which is fine. Okay, back up to 3. Well, it looks like it's blended it. It's not entirely smooth, which might be a good thing. Alright, sweetheart, I got it all blended up for you.
Okay.
I don't know what you want with it.
Well, it looks like Moose uses peanut butter, cream cheese, and powdered sugar.
Oh, yeah, you can just do it with
we probably don't even need
cream.
The powdered sugar.
Yeah. Yeah, you could add cream and make it kind of like a dessert. That sounds yummy to me.
They say whip, but I think the blend will work better.
Oh, yeah. The whip, this does
parts.
actually whip.
Okay, I'll add some cream and some...
Well, cool. It's 3 cups of peanut butter. Probably a little less than 3. Okay, so let's see if I can get this off. This thing, so...
You have to twist.
I know. I realize.
If it's not greasy. They should have put nubs on here or something.
I was just going to say, Breville, you need to do something about this. This has nothing to grip on. And when it gets jammed on there, you can't get it off. It's so hard, especially if you've just cleaned it or you've just got oil on your hands or whatever. And whatever you put in the blender gets on the cap. I mean, it's everywhere, right? So anyway, you got to put little nubbies or something on this lid in your next version of this to mitigate that.
Think you should add the cream cheese or no?
I'll save my cream cheese.
There we go.
All right. Let's not forget to put this back in. That would be not so happy. Okay. Making sure. All right, here we go. Okay, we're turning it down to 2. Have it mix a little bit, I think. So before, when we had it only the whipping cream in there, it actually whipped it. Uh-oh, that's not a good sound. Okay. I think I need to stir it. In theory, I shouldn't have to stir this thing, but... This is 3. Literally nothing's happening. Okay, we're gonna go with 1, and in theory that should be stirring. Do you see anything happening down here? don't see anything happening. I think we need to stir it.
Yeah, I guess so. It's weird though. It looks like there should be stuff in there.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think it's just so thick that it has an air bubble at the bottom. Doesn't that look yummy?
Which blade?
Doesn't matter, just pick one. Yeah, that's a good one. Alright, here we go. Stir, 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 stir.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's all we needed.
Yeah, I think there was just a little air bubble at the bottom.
Air bubble.
I don't, that's not a fault of the blender. Okay, now it's stirring. Oh, wow. Even the stirring is... Oh, can you see that? I might not be able to see that here.
Didn't like that.
Oh. Oh, it's not latched on all the way.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, oops. I'm sorry, I forgot to show the error. It was like a little temperature thing with the triangle.
That means it overheated.
Oh, it overheated. Okay, I think we have to turn it off, unplug it, and come back. Okay, well, guys, I'll come back in a minute. Well, maybe 10 minutes. And we're back. We didn't actually wait all that long. Yep, we need to turn it off and wait. Okay, guys. Well, hubby tried right away. Didn't work. You gotta wait. Alright.
Ridiculous.
And we're back. So we added more cream. We discovered that it was actually just simply too thick. Anyway, we'll see how this goes. I can't really do this with one hand. Turn on.
It's unplugged.
Oh, I forgot we unplugged it.
Ready?
Ready. I think I have a good vantage point. Okay, we should have whipped the cream first, to be honest, and then added peanut butter. We may have to thin it out even more. This is level 3, and it does appear to be doing something at the bottom. You can see the little bubbles moving. Oh, oops. Not a good sign. I think it's
Overheated.
still says it's overheated.
It's fan cooled, and so it's spinning too slowly to cool itself.
Oops.
All right.
Well.
Blender fail.
Blender fail. I'm surprised, actually.
Next we're going to try the Ninja Creamy.
It did fairly well at making the chunky peanut butter smooth. I could have blended that more a little bit, I think, but I think it just had too hard of a time. Okay, well, thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. We might try this in the Ninja Creamy Deluxe, just because that's what I have. Anyway, all right. Have a good day.